2013 Acura ILX. It has an issue on the front end. Every time you come on a speed bump or you come on a rocky road, you hear a noise in the front wheel, like very much in the front somewhere on both sides. And you could say it's a clicking noise or popping noise. It's a noise. We're gonna find out what it is. I'm gonna show you what's the problem is. I'm gonna raise the car and I'm gonna raise the wheels of the left to see what's causing this issue. I'm gonna position the jack on the cradle or the subframe so I could have a free control arm. So when I do the wiggle test to check the control arm bushing here and the ball joint to see if I could find anything. That's high enough. Okay, I'm gonna wiggle this wheel and see if there is an issue here. I already checked the control arm bushings, the one on the cradle. They look good. But let's check this one here. You could see it while I'm wiggling it on the camera. So I believe very obvious the lower ball joint has a play in it, and this could make a nasty noise on turns. Sometimes you hear squeals when the grease is dry, especially in a hot weather. You lose a lot. I mean, the lubricant will become very dry when it's hot. So you can see this one, it does play. Could feel this whole thing moving. So the ball joint inside here has a big clearance that causes it to play. So I already have the new part. Let's check the passenger side. This is the driver's side. Let's go to the passenger side. This is the passenger side. Let's see if it has the same issue. Go from the outside. You can see it at the place too. So I'm shaking the wheel horizontally. I'm holding it from very much on the sides here, and so you can see has a place. So those ball joint, thank God they made them replaceable by themselves. They have two nuts here and one bolt here on the main nut for the one holding the ball joint on the knuckle. Okay, so this I'm gonna show you the new ones I got. So these are the new ones, as you can see. This is the part number 2013 Acura ILX. It's like the Honda Accord too. They're similar. So here is the ball joint. This goes on the lower control arm, and this goes in the knuckle, and has all two nuts and new bolt. I'm gonna replace everything. Sorry. So these all came with it. Okay. So that's what the problem is. Thank you for watching.